Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. I always introduce myself. So, Everipedia got some good news yesterday. They will be listed on Binance. The news came out about 23 hours ago. Just in case you don't know what Everipedia is a token on the EOS blockchain, and it's already on CoinMarketCap. Here's the current price 0.002, and it has a circulating supply of over 7. This is 7 billion. That's a lot. That's a lot, 7 billion, and it got it grew up by almost 60 to 70% yesterday after the news broke out. Repeater is going to be listed on Binance and OKX. Okay, this is what Repeater looks like. Okay, this is the website right here. Now, Repeater is the blockchain version of Wikipedia. You know, uh, where you can actually create wikis or pages for people, then you get rewarded in the Wikipedia coins. So these are the top editors on the platform. So once you edit a page, you get paid in a Wikipedia token. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that today. Looking at this page right here, this is me right here on the page. Just a little honor from the team right there. And also on the about page, this is the about page of Wikipedia. You'll find your boy Samuel Joseph right there, and Wifra of MarketCap.one, and the co-founder of Wikipedia on the about page. And also this is the team. They have a pretty solid team, and they've been doing a great job so far. All right, guys, let me show you. This is the mobile view and, of course, desktop view. Now, let me show you how to edit a page on Everpedia. First of all, you need an EOS account, but it's not necessary to have an EOS account. You can also do this with your mobile phone. All right, so you don't necessarily need a laptop to get this done. So the first thing you need to do is fix your EOS account. If you haven't done that, I've signed up. Sorry, I've already signed up, and all I need to do is log in. So there are several ways you could log in through Facebook, Twitter, or Google, but I prefer to use Scatter. Now, what is Scatter? Scatter is it's okay. Let me show you what it is. This is Scatter. So it's an app or a desktop app that you fill in your private keys, just in case you want to use it for any for signing any transactions. All right. So I've logged in with Scatter, and as you can see, I have 9,000 9,000 IQ tokens, and I'm going to use that to create a wiki page. Or you can actually create a wiki page or edit an existing wiki page. So I'm going to search for my page, of course, and show you how it's done. Hopefully, I can remember. So this is my page. I edited it last. It's been long. I edited this page, right? So let me see. I'm going to try to change. I want to edit this. Right. This is my page. I want to add something right here. So I'm going to click edit. Now, if you're using Scatter, just in case you don't know how to use Scatter, I have a video. It will pop up at the top of this video on how to use Scatter. If you're using Scatter, that means you should have some IQ tokens so you can actually edit, and then you get rewarded in IQ tokens. So I want to add a new info right here, or probably just change my Twitter username. So this Twitter account got blocked recently by Twitter, and I don't know the reason. So I'm going to change it to the new one, djosammy1. Now I need to confirm if that's correct. Okay, yeah, djosammy1. Right, back to Wikipedia. No, where is it? Yeah, djosammy1, and click save. As you can see, it's super easy to use. And I'll be adding an item here. Let me see. Founder or co-founder. Then what am I looking for? My blocks. So you can actually create a page for anybody you like. It's actually very super easy. All you need to do is click edit or create create new wiki. and then you're good to go. So I'm done there, and it's actually found her. Sorry. Click save, and voila, that's it right there. And once you're done, you can actually add later on. I'm going to add some content right here because I've had so many things coming up over the couple of months. And then submit, choose the category. What am I going to do? Info box. Now this category is the last update you just made, and I'm going to add. What am I going to add? Added new links, added Twitter, and new link. Link. Submit. Now, for each edit you do and each account you create, you get paid in IQ tokens, of course. And you're gonna let that load. It's supposed to pop up scatter, and then all I need to do after it pops up. Okay, this is it. This is scatter right here. Now, just in case you don't know what this is scatter. I already told you when we started. So scatter is prompting me to take an action that Everipedia is trying to take an action because I this is what I last thing I did, and everything I'm doing right now is going to be registered on the EOS blockchain. So of course this is it, EOS mainnet, and this is my EOS account that I'm using to make this edit. So I'm going to click allow, and it's submitting the article to the blockchain, right? So your edit was successfully submitted for voting. Now, what is this voting all about? When other people in the community see, this is not the most, okay, yeah. When other people see the recent update I just did, they have the option of voting that recent change, right? Just so they have the option of voting it, and when they vote, I get more tokens when they vote. So guys, that's how to create. That's how to edit. But let me show you how to create. How to create? You can create a page for someone. You can create a location page, a company on an organization. So let's start with this, and that's supposed to load. Okay, let's start for a person. Okay, I probably don't know why that is not loading. But whatever it is, I'm going to talk to the team and find out why it's not loading. But that's how to edit a page. Now, for each page you edit, you get paid in IQ tokens, and then when you vote for other people's,
It's 8 o'clock.
thank you. When you vote for other people's edits, you also get paid, right? So you can check your activities. These are the different activities that have gone on. As you can see, this is my the edit I did about some minutes ago. So 1% change that was made, just 1% change and 7 words, and people can come and vote. So you can actually vote for any content, right? And when you vote for a content, you vote with IQ tokens that if you have some, and by voting you can also get some more. So I'm going to vote to it. So this guy has already gotten. Okay, I apparently have about 8,000 IQ tokens. So I can I can vote with 50 and click accept. So it's confirming my votes, and it's going to pull up scatter. Now the work of scatter is just for me to accept that transaction, because this is a transaction. It's going to be registered on the blockchain. So I'm voting with 50 IQ tokens and approved through voting on Everipedia Page, and this is the proposer ID voted by the EOS blockchain name Sam6 rather. Right, confirming votes and I've voted, and you can view this on the blockchain. So that's a link that links that vote I just did to the blockchain, right? And that's super easy. So in 154 seconds, my vote is going to be irreversible. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel.